How to create a Checkered Procreate brush. The first thing you need to know when you try to create your own Procreate brushes is the fact that you need to create them in a square canvas. To do that, open Procreate. Tap the plus sign and select a square canvas. Once you have done that, select the pure black color and fill the canvas by dragging the black dot at the top right of the screen. Then, activate the Select tool and, with Snapping and Uniform selected, reduce the black square and move it to the top left corner. Duplicate the layer and move the square to the opposite corner of the canvas. Now, to turn this into a brush, tap the wrench at the top left and select Copy Canvas. Open your brushes and create a new one by tapping the plus sign. Go to Grain and edit the grain source. Import and paste your pattern and tap the screen with 2 fingers to invert the colors. You can now adjust the scale of your brush. I find 20% a good scale for this brush. Then go to Apple Pencil and turn the opacity to none. Finally, go to Properties and adjust the size of your brush. This step will create a more user-friendly brush. Now tap Done and you are ready to use your checkered brush. Now let's see how to use this brush. Select a cute color and cover the whole canvas. You can adjust the squares to fit the screen better. Now we are going to create a wavy effect. To make it look like it's fabric, tap the magic wand and select Liquify and the pinch option. Adjust the settings as they appear at the bottom of the screen and draw over the canvas as I am. This is a very easy way to create waves on a canvas. To create an even better effect, create a new layer and draw black lines along the parts that should be lower. Use Gaussian blur and lower the opacity a little bit to make it even. Then, to create the highlights, create a new layer and do the same with white lines. Turn the layer mode to add to make the highlights more shiny and use again Gaussian blur and lower the opacity. Our final design is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it very much. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials like this one.